is number 1. Mostly requested. Not really, I'm just making it up. So I don't even have any subscribers. Except for my one best friend. That's number 1. Number 2. 48, come over here. Come to me on the map. Don't know where my car is. This is going to be a little bit of a long video, but since you can't find me. That's what I just said. Since I can't hear you, I have to edit this. Hopefully I'm right. Go back through the tunnel and I'll meet you there. Go backwards, because I'm going the other way. Go back to the way where the water is. Well, if that is where you are. This is a pretty old game, so that's all I have to say. Number 2, getting killed by your friends. Dude, kill me. Are you even gonna hit me? Okay, I'll kill you then. Stand still and I'll kill you. Stand still. Dude, stand still. Are you almost dead? I'm still hitting you. Not dead yet. No, I'm not. I'm hitting you directly. Now you're on the ceiling. Guys, I don't think we're going to be able to do this one, but you can die by getting killed by your friends. In the grand finale... Oh, oops. Sorry, guys. I need to put you guys back up so you can see. There you go. Probably don't see good, but I'll probably try to edit this. But, okay, let's get there. The fun awaits. The grand finale of the Drowning Underwater. If you're playing with your friends, or I'm on Xbox Live mode, so if you play like that, or if you don't have Xbox Live, then just go on regular. Well, you can die underwater. It's pretty hilarious than normal. But other than that, that's it. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. So once my air runs out, at the top left corner, you'll be able to see that that's the hearts that you have. It's supposed to be like gas, since this is all about cars. So that's what it's supposed to be about. Come on, almost down. check out Dan TDM's channel. He's the best. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe. If you don't want to, I'll be crying.